Oh god. Alright, I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook adapter. It's only like $30 or $40. You can check it out on macbookadapter.com. Link in the description. So this is what happened. You see, it started. That's pretty sick. Now, onto the screen. We're gonna open it up. Oh god. Whoa. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Alright. Oh. A pressure adapter. Wow, that's pretty nice. Whoa. Looks pretty much identical to the last one. What? Wait, it's a 60 watt. What the crap? Well, only 45 watts, but I have 60. I have 61. Here's the receipt. It's 45 watts, 2-year extended warranty. But I don't know why they gave me a 65 watts one. It's pretty nice. Well, that's about it. I hope you guys like this video though. I think I put a lot of effort into making this. But oh my god. It said here like 45 watts, but they gave me like a 60. This is a 60 watts? A 60 watts. I mean, this thing right here is like bigger, but at least it still has the wings. I mean, my old one didn't have any wings, so that's good.